guys, today I want to share my flaxseed gel recipe with you. It's basically how everyone else is making their gel, but I figured I'd share mine with you anyways. This gel is great for anyone who is on the curly girl method or anyone who wants an alternative to any store-bought gel. Okay, so let's just get right into it. So I'm gonna add about 2 to 2.5 cups of water to a medium saucepan. Then I'm going to add about a quarter cup or a little over a quarter cup of whole flax seeds. And let's just talk about flax seeds for a minute. So flax seeds are rich in antioxidants, which helps keep your follicles healthy, which means that it promotes hair growth. But it also is a good source of protein to help keep your hair strands strong. And it contains omega-3s, which can nourish your scalp and prevent scalp ailments. The hold of flaxseed gel is great for people who hate the crunch of store-bought gels but love definition and hold. So now I'm just gonna leave this on low to medium heat for about 30 to 40 minutes. Now once it starts boiling, I want to look for a nice mucus trail. That tells me that it most likely is thick enough so that I can put it off and it will form a real nice gel with a good consistency. I'm going to take the pot off the stove and I'm going to let it cool for about 30 minutes to an hour so it could thicken over time. And of course, you don't want to burn your hands trying to strain this gel, right? Now that my gel is cool, it's ready to be strained. I'm going to pour it into a cut-out pantyhose and squeeze out the gel, separating it from the seeds. Now, this is the messy part. Let's get our hands dirty. Once I'm done with that, I'm going to add some of my favorite essential oils to give the flaxseed gel a nice aroma. I'm gonna add a couple drops of Ylang Ylang essential oil, then a few drops of tea tree oil, and last but certainly not least, a few drops of lavender oil. Then I'm going to give it a good shake and it's ready to use. Now this gel is gonna last about a week to 2 weeks in the refrigerator, but this is about enough for 2 uses depending on the length of your hair, so it shouldn't go bad before you're done using it. And that's all I have for you guys today. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to subscribe and leave your comments down below. Bye!